PS on the 128 gigabytes SanDisk Super Extreme. I mean, I don't know, if you can get more extreme or super than Super Extreme. Oh, no, actually, SanDisk Extreme. Maybe they can get more super when they'll have SanDisk Super Extreme, which could be more gigabytes. But hey, folks, we got to think 128 gigabytes. I got to have me a lot of GoPro Hero 7 or Hero 8 batteries to fill this card up. So I could be snowboarding all day long, climbing all day long, riding my motorcycle all day long, cavorting in and around and throughout America all day long and never fill this rascal up. Now, how long it'll take to download all that filled up data to my computer or my little, who knows, pad or, iPad if I had one, or whatever, laptop, that may be a different story, but the point is, bammo. And if I had two of them, these are fairly cheap. If I had two of them, oh, Lord have mercy, I could just go all for like a week expedition, and there'd be my memory. No more messing around. And so there you have it. A lot of memory. It's kind of hard to comprehend what 128 gigabytes actually is, how many hours. I may append that if I ever figure it out and add it. But I'm going to try it out in my Hero 7. And that's what we'll see later.